Mahatma Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on October 2, 1869 in Porbandar, India. He became one of the most respected spiritual and political leaders of 90s. Gandhi helped free the Indian people from British rule through non-violent resistance and is honored by his people as the father of the Indian nation. The Indian people called Gandhi Mahatma, meaning great soul. At age 30, Gandhiji joined Kasturba, aged 12, in a marriage arranged by their parents. The Gandhi had four sons, Harilal and Manilal, born in India, and Ramdas and Devdas, born in South Africa. While Gandhi displays loving kindness to everyone else, he was quite demanding and served with his wife and son. Gandhi studied law in London and returned to India in 1891 to practice. In 1893, he accepted a one-year contract to do legal work in South Africa. At the time, South Africa was controlled by the British. When he attempted to claim his rights as a British subject, he was abused and soon saw that all Indians suffered similar treatment. Gandhi stayed in South Africa for 21 years working to secure rights for Indian people. He developed a method of direct social action based upon the principle courage, nonviolence and truth called Satyagraha. He believed that the way people behave is more important than what they achieve. Satyagraha promoted nonviolence and civil disobedience as the most appropriate method for obtaining political and social goals. In 1955, Gandhi returned to India within 50 years. He became the leader of the Indian nationalist movement. Using tons of Satyagraha, he led the campaign for Indian independence from Britain. Gandhi was arrested many times by British for his activities in South Africa and India. He believed it was honorable to go to jail for a just cause. Altogether, he spent 7 years in prison for his political activities. More than once, Gandhi used fasting to impress upon others the need to be non-violent. India was gained independence in 1947 and partitioned into India and Pakistan. Rioting between Hindus and Muslims followed. Gandhi had been an advocate for united India where Hindus and Muslims lived together in peace. On January 30, 1948, at the age of 78, he began a fast with the purpose of stopping the bloodshed. After 5 days, the opposing leaders pledged to stop the fighting and Gandhi broke his fast. 12 days later, he was assassinated by a Hindu fanatic who opposed his program of tolerance for all creeds and religion. Thank you.